Abhinav, you say that you are fond of socialism. So can you please explain what is utopian socialism and what is scientific socialism?
Ma'am, sociologists who propounded the idea of sociology before Marx are often, such as Robert Owen and other thinkers, are often regarded as utopian socialists.
Can you name a thinker of utopian socialism?
Ma'am, the only thinker I can recall at the moment is Robert Owen. And apart from that, there were many socialists from France and Italy, ma'am, who were regarded as utopian socialists.
Okay, now talk about the scientific socialism. What is scientific socialism?
From scientific socialism is a strand of socialism which was more popularized by Marx and his followers. And the scientific socialism is based on the philosophy of historical materialism.
What are the stages of historical materialism?
Can you repeat the question?
What are the stages of historical materialism explained by Karl Marx? The stages.
It starts with primitive communism and it ends with this type of communism.
What is the difference between socialism and communism?
Socialism and communism. Now.
Yes.
Communism is socialism gone bonkers.
Can you please elaborate? Which comes first, socialism or communism?
Ma'am, if we go in extremities, if talking in sense with socialism, if in talking about socialism, if we go into extremities, we reach communism. I think if I would like to differentiate between the two, it is communism is socialism pro Marx.
But how Karl Marx explained it? Like, what is Karl Marx's thought on socialism and communism? He differentiated it. What is that?
Yes, I don't per se know the differentiation, but
okay, what is
there is a term from each according to its need. And for each from each according to its ability. What do you call this phenomenon? Socialism or communism?
So this is communism.